Welcome back to this old Kentucky Ridge. think Rosie might be in labor. She keeps going off by herself. And she's huge. Stay right there and have it, Rosie, so we can watch it, baby. Usually when they stay off from the rest of the herd, something's going on. Let's go out here and do a little tree work. We've had a few trees fall. That's just a yearly thing around here. That's just part of living on the farm, isn't it? Had one fall over there on the fence. Luckily it didn't take it all the way out. I'm gonna go over here and chop it up. One of the things we do every year is put hay on this concrete pad to let the cows come over here and eat, and then they, of course, manure and pee everywhere. And by the time early summer rolls around, this will break down into some beautiful compost. There's Remy. Beautiful day, isn't it, honey? This is some older stuff. You can see it really starts breaking down nice. This will be great for the gardens. I mean, that's some beautiful stuff. Got a lot of tree work to do. Like I said, this one down here, had one fall there, and one down there. These ash trees are a real problem. As many of you know, they got that ash borer. Seems like every year we have at least one or two ash trees fall. We still have them on these tree lines. There's a big one down there. Looks like we got some company coming over here. They want to see what all the fuss is about. Belle, you don't want to be on camera? What y'all doing? You want to come help cut the trees? Can you tell which one was the Osage orange tree? One's an ash, I'm pretty sure. And then the Osage orange. Got a beautiful sunset. That's gonna end the day. Y'all have a good one. We'll talk to y'all later next time. Oh, did y'all want to say goodnight too? Well, we're not gonna leave y'all out, are we? Huh? We're not gonna leave y'all out, are we? We're not gonna leave you out. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not, pretty girls. That's my pretty girls. Good night. I love y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow.